proactive English practice.
Lesson 1. Where are you from? Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for asking. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California. And you?
I'm from Germany.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 2. Do you speak English? Excuse me. Are you American?
No, I'm from Spain.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 years.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I work for a travel company.
That's great.
Lesson 3. I'm hungry. What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kinds of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza. Lesson 4. That's too late. Would you like to get something to eat with me?
Sure. When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Well, how about 5 p.m.?
No, I can't because I'll still be at work.
Then how about 7 p.m.?
That's fine.
Lesson 5. Now or later. Where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Sure, why not? Let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Lesson 6. How have you been? How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay, it's not serious.
I hope you get better soon.
Oh, thank you. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
Well, I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Lesson 7. Asking about location. Excuse me. I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's down the street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half?
How long does it take to get there?
I think 5 minutes.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Lesson 8. Buying a shirt. Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes. Can I see that shirt? On the top shelf, please?
Sure. Here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
$50. That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of those shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more, a red one and a black one.
Sure, here it is.
Lesson 9. Vacation. What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yes, I know.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Lesson 10. I lost my wallet. Hey, how's it going?
Not good. I lost my wallet.
Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen?
No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi.
Is there anything I can do?
Can I borrow some money?
Sure. How much do you need?
About $50?
No problem. Here it is.
Thank you. I'll pay you back on Friday.
That'll be fine.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
I will come soon.